Perfect. Perfect.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. All right, guys, so today just got to do a quick job, quick service backstory. So last time I went to go get a tire rotation at Discount Tire, I told them I just wanted to inspect every wheel, tires, see the brakes, see how much brake pad I have, you know, while they have the wheels off the truck. And as I was inspecting all the tires and wheels, one wheel stuck out in particular, and because it had scratches on the inside, and I have no idea where those scratches came from, but that's what this video is going to be about today. I'm going to be patching up some wheel scratches on the inside. Yes, I'm like that picky, but if you're like me, you like taking care of your truck, you really care about it, it's your hobby, it's obviously mine, and it's my baby, then yes, I'm going to be patching up some scratches that no one will be able to see. All right, guys, so I know it's on the front left, so this is the wheel that's going to be getting some Band-Aids thrown on it. I got the jack. I got a jack stand right under there. I have my air impact with a 19, I believe it's a 19 millimeter socket, and then the lug nut locker to remove a security lug nut. So just right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these bolts, and then get straight into showing you the scratches and showing you really how I clean my wheels periodically.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, guys, so I got the wheel off. Every time you take off your wheel, this is a perfect opportunity to check out your brake wear. Alright, so you want to check out your rotor all around here. You just want to see if there's anything abnormal, and if you have no idea what you're looking for, just kind of make sure that there's no like jagged edges on the rotor. Make sure it just looks kind of smooth. Here are your brake pads. If you can see right there, that inner portion, to see how much brake pad you have left. On the inside, same thing. Alright, everything is looking pretty good. Let's see the back side of the rotor. Y'all probably won't be able to see that, but everything looks pretty good. Check all these suspension parts. So nothing looks abnormal. Everything looks in place, healthy, no complaints here. You just want to take every opportunity to check out parts that you don't regularly get to see. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with everything that's going on under here. I'll probably throw on some anti-seize on here, or just something to lubricate that, because it's metal to metal, and as you can see there's a little bit of rust, and that's totally normal, but that's just me. It's exactly what I'm going to do. If you do have aftermarket wheels, and if you still see the washers on these, mine have been taken off, those need to get taken off. Those are only for the stock OEM wheels that come with your truck. Alright, so that's just a side note. Alright, guys, so here's the wheel that has been molested somehow. Alright, so here is, and hopefully y'all can see this. So you see those scratches going across diagonal. There's quite a few, but they're all in the same section. So that is exactly what I'm going to be taking care of today. Usual process to clean my wheels. Usually take it through the touchless car wash. I got one of those monthly plans. And then go ahead and clean the tire, and then go ahead and clean the insides of the wheels. As you can see, they have a bunch of this sticky old weights. I hate that, but it's quite the process to remove that, especially with some Gooby Gone to remove all that adhesive. But I'm going to go ahead and clean the inside with some soap and water, and then take care of these scratches. And my plan is to actually use some Sharpie and then go ahead and let that dry and put on some ceramic coating on the inside just to protect what the Sharpie has done. So that's a plan. Let me go ahead and get straight into it. Alright guys, so I finished cleaning the wheel. Next step, I'm going to be using some Sharpie. So nothing too fancy. This is the only Sharpie I have. So I'm going to go ahead and fill these in, and I'll show you after what they look like. Alright, here's the before. Alright, I have some right here on the edge. So let's fill those in. Alright guys, so here's with the Sharpie, hides it pretty well. I mean, you can still see the divot, there's still a scratch, but for the most part you can see those black lines better than the scratches for me. There's some portion right here, so you can barely see. I mean, you can see the Sharpie, but I like that better than just these scratches. One, you just want to protect the wheel from rusting, and so this is one thing that I'm doing to prevent that. So right now what I'm going to do is pick off a little bit of this adhesive and then get ready to ceramic coat. So I'm just going to go ahead and use some leftover ceramic coating that I've had from when I did my truck. Here's the stuff. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. A little better. I'm not sure if y'all are gonna like it or not. At least I covered up those scratches. So that was my immediate concern. And so now that they're covered up, got some ceramic coating on there, I'm a little happier than just the open scratches. Alright guys, so just let me know what y'all think. It's just one technique. There's many other ways you can do this. All I did was Sharpie, followed by some ceramic coating, flashed, and take too much time, and just buff it off. So that's what I wanted to do today. What I'm going to go ahead and do is finish cleaning every one of my wheels. First with just some soap, some wheel cleaner, and then get really in there in the wheels, and then clean up the tires, make the tires look pretty with some tire shine, and that's about it. So if y'all have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Just a short, quick service and job that any one of y'all can do. But yeah, until next time, ciao.
Perfect.